Hello there and welcome to 1515 15th Street. We're in apartment 504. We'll go ahead and take a nice walk through. This is a new building. Beautiful hardwood floors. Lots and lots of light in here. Floor to ceiling windows, built-in shades. We've got our really nice kitchen, lots of cabinetry. Nice big stove, Bosch appliances. Beautiful island, definitely enough room for you to have a couple stools in here. Definitely enough room for a full dining room table, as well as whatever else you need in your living room. Beautiful open floor plan. We've got views all the way to downtown, into Soma. And super nice and quiet. So these are double paned windows, really, really quiet in here. Another nice view of the kitchen. So we have a small half bath here, right off of the hallway. Very convenient. This bathroom also opens up into the other bedroom. So we'll go ahead and walk down the hallway and check that out. So here we've got our half bathroom then, opening up into the hallway. And then behind the other doors here, we have our shower tub combination. Super convenient right there in the room. Small closet off of here. Built-ins as well. And we'll continue walking down the hallway. We've got our washer dryer tucked away into the closet, conveniently between both of the bedrooms. First, we'll take a peek here at the beautiful walk-in closet. Lots and lots of shelving space, drawers, all built in. Fantastic. And then we come on into our second bedroom. A little bit bigger. This one still has the bathroom attached to it. And then behind the other doors, we have a beautiful stand-up shower. You can just stumble right on out of bed and into the shower. So thank you so much for joining us here. Beautiful building. Go ahead and, give us a call. Come on by and see it. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll take one more look out the windows because that's always my favorite part. And we hope to see you soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.